like I'm Jude, fam. We back. Good to see y'all. Links gang. You know what I'm saying? Back in a different setup. Apologies, the lighting is completely fucked. Yeah. But we got a jersey review, fam. Let's see what we got here. This is something I think not a lot of people are talking about, despite the fact that this is one of the best jerseys I've seen in a minute, to be honest. Best special edition jerseys, I guess you could say. So yeah, man, let's get into it. Liverpool Man City earlier today, man. I'm recording this on Saturday, man. It's fucked, man. They gotta stop doing this international break, bro. This is ruining the games, bro. And they gave him a noon kickoff, man. That's crazy. But I'll take a draw. Could have got more. Nunes has something, bro. I don't know, man. That's the dude needs, you know what I'm saying, needs to, he has issues, bro. But anyways, man, let's get into it. This one kind of special, man. I don't know, this kind of went under the radar. Let's get into it, man. We got the special edition. The special edition 3.Paradis X Paris Saint-Germain 2022-2023 away jersey that I managed to snag here from the PSG website when it dropped a few months ago. I'm gonna definitely get better angles on this and better lighting. But yeah, one of the best special edition kits I've seen in a minute, man. Really just made by this whole Dove design here, which this is a collaboration with 3.Paradis, which is and it says, as you can see right under there, celebrates a record of 11th Ligue 1 title. History is made in Paris. 3.Paradis and Paris Saint-Germain. This is the 2022-2023 away jersey from PSG. Just, you know, edited, or collaborated with 3.Paradis, and they added this Dove design on top of it, along with on the back side the ICC Paradis, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? My French, you feel me? ICC Paradis.
Ici c'est paradis.
Word, okay. You know what I'm saying? Oui, sacré bleu, you know.
Young Philly, il mange les fesses.
Yeah, bonjour. But yeah, man, let me know y'all think about this in the comments. You know, has this Dove design. Essentially, this is kind of 3.Paradis. 3.Paradis is a French-Canadian clothing brand, founded by a guy from Paris. Their main symbol is this whole Dove thing, the Dove art, kind of like a big motif for them. You see it everywhere. So yeah, big up my guy, you feel me? Big up the 3.Paradis brand, man. It's very, you know what I'm saying, I was looking at their website, man. It seems like they got a very humanitarian, freedom, hope type of cause, fam, you feel me, with the clothing. I don't even know what that means, to be honest, but you feel me, that's the vibes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the cool thing as well is these Doves have like a slick feel to them, kind of like a shirt sponsor. So kind of, it feels different as opposed to the normal fabric of the shirt, which kind of adds some texture to it. But yeah, overall, man, I'm saying you pull up the shortish 5-a-side with this kit, man, you bagging, bro, for sure, bro. So big up, you know what I'm saying, you got the GOAT sponsor on the side, you feel me? Speaking of, man, y'all know about GOAT. I'm saying Messi, of course, but you know what I'm saying, the app GOAT, the sponsor right here. Yeah, I forgot to mention something real quick. So the whole ICC Paradis thing on the back basically is just like a play on the ICC Paris, I'm assuming, which is Paris's motto, or PSG's motto. You know, you see it in the Parc des Princes or whatever, their stadium and all that, which just means like this is Paris, or here, this is Paris. So basically it just means like here, this is paradise, doing like a little play on words with the name of the brand and all that. Paradis 3.Paradis. But yeah, oh yeah, one other thing I forgot to mention too was this special edition jersey was limited to like only 1,970 pieces worldwide. So that's like a little cool fact. But yeah, back to the video. That's gonna do it for me. Let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. Definitely clean jersey. Apologies about the lighting. I'm gonna try to get some better angles of it and edit it up a little bit. But yeah, man, clean jersey. I think this Jordan jersey originally was, you know, definitely a clean jersey. All these special jerseys, these Jordan kits, these cool Dove, this cool Dove special edition. It's just a shame, man. It could be going to PSG, that bull. Them around the 16 merchants, but 11th league on title. Like, it's not a Farmers, Ubers Eats, you know what I'm saying, Deliveroo league, fam. Hey, that's gonna do it for me, man. Oh man, we gotta get some new, you know, if y'all remember those all white, I think Arsenal kits that were like I think that it was like the anti-racism initiative or something like that. Like, we need more like special edition kits like that at least like also released to the public, fam. You know what I'm saying? Like, that Arsenal one didn't release to the public as far as I know. I'm big into kits. I like all these special edition ones, but most of the time they don't be released to the public. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about that. Let me know what special edition kit y'all would have wanted to release. What y'all think about this one, of course. And yeah, that's gonna do it for me. Links gang. Best gang in the world, and wanted to keep it short. Yeah, man, let me know what other kits you want me to do. I have a few, you know what I'm saying, for my own that I can keep doing, and I'll always be looking out for new ones. So yeah, hope y'all like this. Let me know if y'all do or don't, and yeah, I'll catch y'all next one.